Hello everyone. Now let me introduce the Sankey diagram of voter distribution by factors and party for you. It reveals the composition of supporters for the two parties in North Carolina. It has three interactive functionalities: selecting years, selecting factors, and selecting color palette. I'll show you them one by one. Right now, what you are looking at is the voter distribution by age and parties in 2016. I can select a year, switching it to 2020 and 2024. As you can see, that the diagram changes. I can also choose to select the gender to show how the gender is distributed for the different supporters of the parties, and also I can choose race and both gender and race, both age group and gender. I can also change the color palette for the diagram. This is Moradin and this is Verdes, which is more friendly to color blinders. When you hover over one of the links, it will also be highlighted and shows the details of the source, which is the factors, and the target, namely the parties. Thank you.